जॉली भाटिया। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई एम श्योर आप सब अपने अपने घरों में एकदम मज़े में होंगे। मैं भी बिल्कुल मज़े में हूँ। एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर गिविंग so much of love to my previous video on how my secret revealed of my long hair and I'm really thankful कि आप लोगों ने इतना प्यार दिया इस वीडियो को और इतने अच्छे कमेंट दिए। और इसीलिए आज मैं आ गई हूँ आप लोगों के साथ एक और सीक्रेट रिवील करने के लिए। जी हाँ, आपने थंबनेल देख के तो समझ ही लिया होगा that today's video is about my skincare routine. So guys, as you all know that we are going to talk about my CSMS routine, my skincare routine today in this video. So before I start, I would like to request all of you, those who are new to my channel, to kindly, quickly, subscribe to the link, subscribe to my channel please, because इससे आपका तो कुछ नहीं जाता क्योंकि सब्सक्रिप्शन बिल्कुल फ्री है, लेकिन इससे मेरी काफ़ी हेल्प हो जाती है। So guys, quickly we're gonna start with my skincare routine. As you all can see that I am blessed with a good skin as well. और अब तक मैं थोड़ा बहुत मेंटेन कर रही थी, वो सब कुछ जो है वो मैं आप लोगों के साथ में आज के वीडियो में शेयर करने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं CSMS routine of जॉली भाटिया। So guys, before we start, I would like to declare that this video that I'm making today is not any collaboration or any product promotion. This is my genuine review. This is my genuine skincare routine that I'm following from last 3 to 4 months. So yeah, let's quickly get started. So सबसे पहले आता है cleansing. CSMS is all about cleansing. So for cleansing my skin, I'm using this face wash. Well, now talking about this face wash, this is Himalayas aloe vera face wash that prevents dryness because it is moisturizing. This gives you moisturizer. So I use this. I'm not going to show the process. It is just a face wash. So before doing anything, straight after the shower or after washing my face, I start this routine. So for cleansing my skin, I use this because this doesn't dries my skin too much. I have a dry skin and because of that sometimes you can see I got this spot here. This is because of the dryness. I get a lot of spots near my nose most of the time whenever I have dryness on my skin. So hydration and moisturizer is the must for me. So what I do is after cleaning my face with this face wash, I go with this serum. This is Minimalist Niacinamide, 10% niacinamide face serum. So what it does is it actually of course it moisturizes your skin and also reduces whatever pigmentations or dark spots that you have. So what I do is, it has a very nice pump. So take it on your palm like this. I apply this onto my face and my neck area. So guys, this is really important. Whenever you use any product, also use it on your neck because neck and your face should match. So this is step 1. With this I also do one more thing. This is gua sha, if you all know. I have recently started this. Somebody told me that now that you are in 30s, like in your mid 30s, don't tell anybody. So you have to do all this to prevent wrinkles वगैरह आने से। ये जो चीज़ें हैं ये स्किन को टाइट करती है। So मैं quickly इससे पहले कि मेरा जो सीरम है वो ऑब्जर्व हो जाए, मैं आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ। ये ऐसे this way you have to do it at least 5 to 10 times. Similarly, it goes like this. Yeah, you can also do it here on your forehead. Basically ये जो है इसे यूज़ करने से रिंकल्स नहीं आते हैं। देन ये जो आपकी जॉ लाइन है मेरी इतनी कुछ खास नहीं है जॉ लाइन, बट देन स्टिल जितनी भी है वो मैं ये सब चीज़ें कर रही हूँ आजकल। सो इट इज़ रियली इफेक्टिव। यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट ऑन योर नेक लाइक दिस। So just do it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then there is this roll on also. You can use this roll on 5 to 6 times. You have to use it on both the sides like this. So yeah, this is really good. और plus ये बहुत ठंडा ठंडा होता है तो स्किन को काफ़ी अच्छा फील भी आता है। तो ये ज़रूर यूज़ कीजिए बिकॉज इट इज़ रियली हेल्पफुल एंड आई लव यूजिंग दिस। सो दिस इज़ वन थिंग दैट आई डू क्विकली। आफ्टर दैट आई यूज़ मॉइस्चराइजर विच इज़ दिस। कैन यू सी दिस इज़ ऑल्सो मिनिमलिस्टिक का मॉइस्चराइजर एंड this is also good for my skin. So yeah, this is actually I'm using from past 6 to 7 months I would say. And you have to take a little bit of cream on your palm. So I don't like too much of cream on my face. So I use it like this. Very important on neck. Yeah. So this is, see, you can see now my skin is looking more hydrating and plump. So yeah, this is what I do. Step number 3 and last but not the least, इसको बिल्कुल भी हल्के में नहीं लेना चाहिए। इट इज़ अगेन मिनिमलिस्ट का SPF 50 सनस्क्रीन फॉर माई फेस। आई टेक अ छोटा छोटा सा अमाउंट। सी अगेन एज आई सेड दैट आई डोंट लाइक यूजिंग टू मच ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन माई स्किन, बट sunscreen is very important. Even if you are at home, guys, don't forget to use sunscreen because sunscreen लगाने से आप थोड़ा सा भी अगर सन को अगर आपका स्किन आप अगर जाते हो सनलाइट में, so it helps protecting your skin from getting pigmentations and rashes and whatnot. So this is a must. So yeah, that's it. These 4 steps that I do. And last but not the least, this is only when I am at home and I'm not going out. I'm going to the gym. So even when I'm going to the gym, I make sure that I do all this skin routine. I apply a sunscreen lotion because it is very much important. Sometimes I work out, sometimes I work indoors, so it is really helpful. Last but not the least, I forgot to tell you कौन सा है ये. Actually this is a lip balm. इसका जो पूरा है लिखा हुआ वो उड़ चुका है. This is Maybelline का lip shade, not lip shade but it's a lip balm, and lip balm is a must for me. This is how I apply without even checking it कि ये ठीक से लगा है या नहीं. My only purpose is कि मेरा जो lips है moisturized रहे, because my, as I said, I have dry skin, so my lips also get chapped sometimes, and I have dry lips as well. So I use lip balm all the time, even when I'm at home, and I love using this tinted ones because it gives a nice brightness to my skin. That's what I feel. So I use a tinted one. I have different shades, but for now I'm using this just to tell you all that sometimes I use this darker shades as well. So yeah, this is it. This is my morning CSMS, my morning skincare routine. So guys, this is what I follow every day for my morning routine, but at night whenever I am at home, as you can see my skin जो मैंने अभी आपके सामने prepare की है, this is all that I have on my face whenever I am at home or I am just roaming around, or basically I am not working or I am not going out for some shopping or anything, party or anything, or my work or shoot. So this is how I am, this is how I live. Only chashma is missing. Other than that, this is how you see my face. After that, if I am shooting and I am coming out from shoot, I make sure that I remove all my makeup before I go to my bed. So for that, what I use is, I use this Garnier ka makeup remover. This is the best thing so far, guys. Also sometimes I use on sets, basically ये baby oil जो है Johnson's का, whenever we are on set, so mostly मेकअप आर्टिस्ट लोगों के पास यही होता है, तो इसी को हम फेस पे चोपड़ लेते हैं एंड उसके बाद में अपना मेकअप जो है वो टिश्यू से निकाल लेते हैं. मोस्टली ये होता है, लेकिन मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि मैं हमेशा जब भी शूट कर रही हूँ मैं अपने साथ इसे कैरी करूँ, और ये बहुत अच्छे से मेकअप रिमूव करता है. बिकॉज जब हम शूट कर रहे होते हैं तो बहुत हैवी मेकअप लगा हुआ रहता है, आई लाइनर एंड यू नो डार्क लिपस्टिक्स ये वो, और मैट लिपस्टिक स्पेशली इससे बहुत अच्छे से निकलती है. और जितने भी अच्छे मस्काराज है वो आपको एक वॉश में, फेस वॉश से निकलते नहीं हैं, लेकिन इससे आई लाइनर, फेस वॉश सब अच्छे से निकल जाता है. लेकिन फॉर नाउ, बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट अप्लाइड एनीथिंग ऑन माई फेस, लाइक नो मेकअप एट ऑल. सो what I do is I clean my face with first of all wet tissues. It's a must. Make sure that whenever you are using a wet tissue, buy non-alcoholic tissues, wet tissues from medical store or any makeup जहाँ से भी makeup की चीज़ें मिलती है, there you can get this easily. And make sure these are alcohol free. Ask them that you want for makeup removal, they'll give you a perfect one. So there are different fragrances that are available in market. So I love purple, as you all know, so I'm using this lavender one. And what I do is, make sure, this is a very very important step, whenever you are going on bed, remove everything that you have applied. Never go on bed with your makeup on. See this lip balm, it comes out super easy. So yeah, this is how I remove. And I wash my face with similar face wash. As you can see, my skin is clear now thanks to this, and it keeps my skin moisturized. So I'm done with face wash. As I said, once again I'm gonna tell you that I love keeping things minimal, and that's the reason I don't use so much of products on my skin, and I use as less as possible. Less is more for me. So nowadays I have started using Dot and Key. Got this retinol night repair cream, which is good for people in my age group. It helps prevent wrinkles and dark spots. It basically works at night when you are sleeping. Again, I am using this because I have a dry skin, so after washing off my face I need some moisturizer on my face, otherwise I really feel dry. So night cream के लिए I have chosen this. This is nice. I forgot, I have just taken थोड़ा सा, and I applied neck. At night I don't really do much on my skin. That's it. Simple, guys. I keep it simple. I love keeping it simple. So this is how I prepare my skin for that 8 hours beauty sleep and I go back to my bed. That's it. तो ये है मेरा स्किन केयर रूटीन. आई होप आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा. दिस वॉज नॉट अ पेड कोलैबोरेशन, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. This was my genuine review and my genuine things that I do regularly. You also follow this CSMS process because as for your skin type, it is very, very, very important. They say that after age of 25, your skin starts to age, but I have done it very, very late in my life. I have started in my 30s. And thankfully I am blessed with a good skin. That is the reason. But some people, they do get a lot of wrinkles and lot of pigmentations and stuff like that. So आप लोगों से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप लोग भी अपना जो स्किन केयर रूटीन है वो जल्दी जल्दी से शुरू कीजिए और अपने आप को हमेशा ब्यूटीफुल एंड यंग रखिए. With this, me Jolly Bhatia signing off, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave the comment in the comment box and do let me know how you like the video. And if you want to see more such videos, do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next vlog. तब तक के लिए lots of love. हर हर महादेव.